this video, I'm basically just going to give you guys my final thoughts of the Bay Rum, Placenta and Bergamot essence recipe and what I thought about it and would I do it again. So I'm quickly going to tell you guys more about it. Now if you haven't watched the video yet, you guys can just click it. I will leave it here somewhere on top. You guys can click on it, you guys can go and watch it maybe straight after this video or before you want to see my review about it. It is all up to you. Now I actually wanted to do it as a 30-day challenge, but I cut it short to 21 because I've got a new hair growth challenge waiting. I'm super excited about it. That will be in my next videos. I will introduce it to you guys, so I'm very excited about it. But let's get back to business with this. Now I have noticed a little bit of hair growth, not a lot as in wow. I did notice a little bit of additional hair growth, so it's increasing my hair growth rate, but not with an amazing amount. So what I've done is I dived a little bit deeper into the research of the Bergamot essence, Placenta and Bay Rum, and it did show that you're actually supposed to use it for 6 months straight before noticing a wow increase of hair growth. The one thing that I am very happy about with this mixture is the fact that it helps with my dandruff, and it's going to help with your dandruff as well. I have patches on my scalp that loves having dandruff, and when I used this mixture it took it away completely. The other thing that I have noticed, or that I first expected, was that it's going to make my scalp very oily. I expected it, and I can tell you this, you don't have to worry about it. I first thought when I started with this mixture that, you know what, I'm going to have to wash my hair twice a week, where my hair wash day is only once a week because my hair is going to get oily, and it was not the case. This mixture does have a lot of moisturizing properties, and it's got loads of nutrients and vitamins for your scalp, but it doesn't make it oily at all. So guys, you can relax. If for those of you that wondered or that was scared to try this because you've got an oily scalp or if you've got oily roots, don't worry about it. The only thing that I did notice is usually closer to my hair wash day, I did notice, okay, my hair is a little bit more oily than usual, but it didn't really affect my day-to-day life at all. Now for the million-dollar question. Am I going to use this again? My answer is yes. Not for the hair growth properties in specifically, but for the anti-dandruff properties. Now, I don't have a lot of dandruff, but the patches are very annoying, and I will recommend using this for the people that do have dandruff problems because this really helps. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to follow more of my hair growth recipes or challenges. And then I will see you guys next time. Bye!